where you gonna put it? Tonight, Stamford, Connecticut realizes no, to know the nature boy is to love thy nature boy. Because tonight, I'm going to go all night long and then just a little bit longer. And tonight, I thank Eddie Graham. I thank
This is another requested song.
I thank Bill Watts. I thank
This is another
Jim
requested song.
Cornette.
We about to bring our first singer to the microphone.
I thank every bastard child of Eddie Graham from the Sunshine State. Kevin Sullivan and his pretty little daughter. And Kevin Sullivan's daughter, who runs and please realize when Nicole Sullivan runs around North Carolina is upset with the nature boy.
Are you Shawn Michaels? Shawn Michaels?
Shawn Michaels never looked as good because he never Tonight, I own Stamford, Connecticut. I own